We were excited about a new era, it was a new millennium. My name is Evanne Ní Chuilinn. I am a sports presenter here in RTE and I got my Leaving Cert results in the summer of 2000. So the night before I got my Leaving Cert results, I decided I wanted to have a sleepover with all my friends and that we would all just deal with the nerves together and not be too het up about what was coming the next day. However, my dad was the principal in my school, so I didn't really think about this, but on the morning of the results, he had to come through the living room and go to the post office and collect everybody's results. Major panic. But my abiding memory is really one of excitement, not fear, not regret over exams. It was really about looking to the future and hoping against all hope that it was going to be bright and this new millennium was going to hold something for all of us. I didn't really think about a career. I didn't know I'd end up here. I didn't know where I'd end up. I picked a course that was very broad and I kept my eyes open, I kept my mind open, and that was the biggest thing for me. If you can, don't think too hard about results. Think about what the future holds and making the most of it for yourself, and you won't go wrong.